Hi guys, on my second video with my new friend. Said hi to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. What you are?
My name is Little Star.
Yes. You do the shawarma, I will do the cameras, okay?
I'm the cooker because I'm good at making pancakes. Like I put one in the upside down.
Okay, bye bye. I'm leaving you.
You're not leaving me. You're not.
Bye bye. I close the door. I close the door.
You open it.
You too.
You want to
You're bald too. Look at yourself. Look at yourself.
And look at yourself.
Hindi ko siya makaturo.
Why you?
Okay, good do it now.
Okay, I made a shawarma kiosk. No, but
Ay, masyado.
Wait, let me read this. Have smile.
The lavash. Say you said you're the cameraman.
Okay, fine. I'm just checking.
Go play the lavash in the corner.
Look at his bum bum.
He's so fat.
Let me just check everyone. Okay, he's fine. He's a human.
Oh yeah. Not the one that jump scare at the camera in front of us.
Of course not.
Ganda ka na dito.
Hurry up!
But I'm gonna get you. Wait, how do I do it, bro?
I-forward mo sa...
How do I do it?
You notice you need to hold it.
Ano rin siya? Pagkain?
Hindi na ng pagkain, flower lang.
Tagan siya po.
Now take it now and put it the meat.
Tapos ako naman, direct.
You put the meat. I put the meat.
Uy, tingnan, parang sa...
We can be friends for now.
Yeah.
Yung pila-pila ito kanin din siya ako.
Oh my god, bro. Okay, it's done. Roll the lavash. I want to make shawarma. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you. You're stuck. You're fat. You don't need to eat shawarma anymore. Oh!
Hindi siya nasisira.
Sabi sa dito na, be.
Pinatapon mo na
You started it, bro.
No, did that.
Oo, masanay na ako.
Oh, wala. No, it's good.
Ayo, kaya nga di ba open ko kanina?
Hey, stop! Stop it. I'll turn night vision mode.
Uy, mama, naglat ko sa balay.
Good.
Alas dos.
Turn on the lights.
Sorry. What is he singing, bro?
Close the damn thing.
What?
Is it just me or my cameras are getting darker? Close it down.
What she do? What she do? What she do? What she do? Are you serious? How is it not? Oh my god! It's not your fault.
It's your fault.
No, oh my! His underwear. No, the underwear. He's not wearing underwear.
That's wrong.
Nag-play kayo si ano game?
The guy is Jack.
Oh my god, what's going on? Oh my god! Give me this.
Wait, let me just see it. What is that music? Start it off.
What she said? What she said?
She's a he.
I see. Stay strong. Let's Oh my
What?
my god. What was that, bro? What was that?
Monster! Open it!
Ito, alas 2. Alas 2 at mga
Don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it.
There's a monster!
Pagsunod niya,
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
ba't iman ito?
Oh my god. No. God.
Pinakalaga na niya.
That's it, I'm opening it.
Ako, ikaw ko, kaya wala siya sakpak sugad na ako.
No, I'm getting it.
Naghahanap sa kasama ko.
Tagay, Ron.
Oh, it's all real. Okay, close it.
No, do not close it! No! I got jump scared.
Alas 2 dito.
He's not a monster. Right? He's not a monster.
Okay, okay, okay.
Let me just put this on your ear.
No, bro.
Hindi siya.
Oh my god, that's so crazy. Bro, did it just jump scare us?
Pagdating yan.
His eyes is closed.
What? Oh my god. Go to
Can you see
bed,
the chat?
Grandpa. I can't.
No, do the chat, please. I really want to talk.
Pati akin bago sa
Hurry up.
Just breathe.
Do like this. Look at me. Do like this.
Kasi iniisip ko sa inyo lagi na
That way. That way. That way.
Dana,
Must feel the door.
pag-abot niya, ang talo sa kulhain ako.
What's your age?
Wait, what should do? What should do? What should do? Hey, you started with the lavash. You do it now because I'm not there.
Kasi iniisip ko sa inyo na lang.
You're
Mama,
book.
picture ako muna. Ikaw, mamalangka kami.
I'm staying here.
Nag-aagad ko nga ni.
Hey, you start with the lavash, bro.
Man, that creepy ass man is scary.
No. Are you blind?
Bye-bye, thank you.
Ako nini, ating aling dadulid.
No, I never mind. I don't want to do it.
Alright.
Let's cancel it.
Shut up! I can't wait.
Bro, what did you do?
Okay, that's it. I'm looking how bald are you?
Okay.
Look! Look at your bald self. Turn that off.
Broken. I'm a unicorn and I'm
Hurry up!
Oh my god, just wait.
Then hurry up! I can't wait. Hurry up in the morning. Oh my god.
Wow, nalungkot ka tima na yun. Ada na.
Wait, I can't give it. I can't give it. You give it. You give it. You forgot something. Yeah.
Soda! Give him soda!
Oh yeah. I'm gonna get the soda, dude. I get my soda.
Bukas mo na ba din si ate? Maray pa.
How can I get soda? Bro? You forgot. What did she said coffee? Oh, coffee. It's coffee, okay? Coffee.
Nope. I'm scared. Nope, I'm scared, guys.